What?
Video of what?
Saturday, almost noon.
What's that?
It's almost noon on Saturday.
Oh, can I get a whistle here?
Yeah, because with that T-128 over by Kiwanis Park being broken.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So you got a little sunburn the other day.
Yeah, at Six Flags I got
Oh,
a little sunburn. I didn't realize I was sunburned until yesterday.
okay.
Yeah. Good times the physics class.
Wish you had a good day while you were there, nice and warm and sunny.
Yeah. Okay. Expecting it to go any time.
What is it?
It was 11:58 when I started, so it's got to be 11:59 now, as it says.
Oh, I hear one going on.
Yeah, I just heard one too. That's
Germantown?
yeah. Yeah, and there's the RM-130. That is sounds kind of. Yeah, I don't know what would. That's obviously an RM-130 over there.
Okay.
But
Did it go though? Could go yet though.
I mean that one, that loud one.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I don't know where that one is because it looks. Actually, that could be the one by
All's going.
at the county line.
Alright. Dude, yeah, all good for today? I'm supposed to have something this afternoon, but I'm gonna do tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. I got all that stuff, so. Okay. Yeah. Much as there's morale taking it in. Well, and two, we have a short week this week. Okay. Monday's good for me, but my else is crazy. Alright, we could do Friday morning. Alright, have a good one. See you, Jeff.
See ya.